In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define or edit a table schema in Google BigQuery. If you're working with data in Google Cloud, mastering how to set up or tweak your table schemas is vital for ensuring your data is organized and accessible. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for the Google Cloud Console. It's your go-to hub for all cloud-related activities and will be the main platform for today's task. Once you've found it, click on the link to take you directly to the console. With the Google Cloud Console open, head over to the BigQuery page. BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that allows you to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. It's where you'll define and edit your table schemas. Next, in the Explorer pane located on the left-hand side, you'll want to select your specific project and then the dataset you're working with. This step is crucial because it narrows down where exactly you're focusing your efforts to define or modify schemas. Moving forward, to define a new schema, you're going to click on Create Table. This option usually resides within the BigQuery interface and is your gateway to setting up a fresh table with a new schema. Now let's focus on the schema section of the table creation process. You have a couple of options here. If you prefer doing things manually, click Add Field. This allows you to handpick each field by specifying the name, type, and mode. This approach can be quite handy if your schema is relatively simple or if you enjoy a more hands-on setup. Alternatively, for those who want a speedy method, click on Edit as Text. By doing this, you can directly paste a JSON array that represents your schema. This option is fantastic if you've already prepared your schema beforehand and just want to get it loaded into BigQuery quickly. Now let's talk about making changes to an existing schema. First, locate your table in the Explorer pane and click on it. When you've selected your table, navigate to the Schema tab in the Table Details pane. Here's where you see your current schema laid out in detail. To edit, click on Edit Schema. This handy button allows you to add new fields or adjust existing ones. For instance, you might decide to change a field from required to nullable based on new requirements. Finally, one of the most important steps is to save your changes. Once you've made all the necessary modifications, ensure you click the Save button. This action commits your changes, ensuring they're applied and preserved in BigQuery. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to defining or editing a table schema in Google BigQuery. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating an existing table, these steps should help you manage your data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to implement these steps the next time you work with Google BigQuery.